welcome back to my channel TechFit. This is Garo. If you're new to my channel, again, my channel kind of like covers videos on tech and fitness. I do try to, I'm basically at the moment, I'm in the stage of building my channel up, so I'm kind of like trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. As I'm assuming a lot of the other YouTubers are doing the same stuff as well. So, but again, like, thanks for all your support. If you're watching my channel at the moment, please do subscribe to my channel as well, because it does help me to grow my channel. And if you like some sort of video, if you want to leave that on the comment box below, if there's some topic that you want me to cover, I would definitely be more than happy to do that. And again, thanks for tuning in. And today we are looking at a really interesting video, which is on Apple iOS 14. So today is 10th of July and it's 9:30 p.m. right now, and Apple has released its public beta version of the software yesterday on 9th of July, and it released in the evening. So what we want to cover first in this video is how to install that public beta version of the software on your phone, and secondly we'll also look at some top features that iOS 14 has included in public beta version of iOS 14. So without wasting any more time, let's jump onto basically installing the software itself. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for my future videos, and let's begin installation process. So first thing that I wanted to do is open Safari, search Apple Public Beta. Once you do that, you can see the first page, which is Apple Beta Software Program. You can actually go down, and as you can see, there's iOS 14. What you want to do is sign up. Once you sign up, it will ask you for your Apple ID. You can actually bring that information in. Once you log in, it will bring you to the screen where it says Guide for Public Betas. You select iOS. And once you go down, there is an option which is Enroll your iOS device. Once you click on that, it should bring you to the new page where you can see Enroll your devices, and you go down and you see an option which is Install Profile. Once you click on Download Profile, that will be downloaded on your phone. And the next thing that I want you to do is actually open the settings. Once you click on the settings, you'll see the first option, which is Profile Downloaded. You can click on that. It should bring you to the page where it shows iOS 14 Beta Software Program, which is verified by Apple. You can click on top right corner, which is the install, and once you click on that, it will start the installation process on your phone. Once that installation process is completed, you can, as you can see, you can go to your general settings again and go into software update, and you'll see an option which is iOS 14 Public Beta 2 version is now downloaded on your phone. Once the installation is completed, the phone will reboot as usually when you install any software update, and once you see the phone is rebooted, you will see that iOS 14 version is then downloaded on your phone. So based on following all those steps, you should have now iOS 14 installed on your phone. The next half of the video, what I want to cover is the features that are there in iOS 14. So I'll be covering like top 5 or top 6 features, and within that, first I'm going to give you the overview, which is again the source is Apple itself, and then the next we'll go into the detailed view of each feature. So without wasting any more time, let's begin the overview. So within home screen, the first thing you have is the app library. As you can see, previously when you're using your iPhone, you do have a lot of apps, and within those apps, it's really hard to sometimes manage where you have actually stored your new apps or the new apps that you have downloaded. Again, with the app library, it's kind of like similar function that's there in the Android as well, where you can actually bring this all together into app library, and which makes it really easier for you to search for the apps that you want to use. Now again, as you can see, you can still leave your apps the same way on the home screen itself, but also if you do want to kind of like use all the new apps that you're downloading and just maybe save them just in the app library, you can actually do that in the settings as well. Second is widgets. Again, within widgets, as you can see, Apple has included 3 different types of widgets, which is small, medium and large. And also, once you are on your home screen, you can go on left and you can select the widget that you actually want to bring to your home screen. Once you bring to your home screen, you can actually see the other apps just flies around once you are dragging the widgets on the screen. Within that, you can actually see you can actually have 4 options, which is left corner, right corner, bottom left, or bottom right. You can actually also select a widget which is such as Smart Stack. Within Smart Stack, as you can see, the widgets are actually layered on top of each other. You can select the size of that widget, and you can actually put that onto your home screen where you can actually flip around towards different widgets, which I personally think is really useful again when you have a lot of different widgets and you don't want to take too much of your home screen space, but you actually want to have one widget. You can actually flip around to different widgets within the same widget because again they are just layered on top of each other. So the next feature is picture-in-picture. Again, within picture-in-picture, as you can see, once you come out of the screen, the picture starts playing on your home screen itself. You can open and you can do something else on your phone on the back end. You can actually use the settings, or you can go on a different screen. Again, it only stops when you're using the camera. Other than that, you can actually do anything on the background of the screen. Within picture-in-picture, you can actually minimize the screen, or you can actually make it more larger or smaller as per your requirement. And to close the picture-in-picture, you can just click on the left-hand side and cross it out, or you can actually click on the right-hand side to actually zoom it in, which brings you back out of the picture-in-picture mode and you're back on the screen itself. Fourth is Siri. Again, Siri has also got a compact design where Siri has a complete new look that actually lets you quickly get information or get things done while still focusing on what you're doing. And again, while using the Siri, you can't really click on the back of the screen. Again, if you do that, it actually goes away. But it just has a new, really compact looking design where you can actually see the back of the screen and you can read documents on the back. Fifth is Translate. Again, with Translate, conversations are easy by design. Just turn your phone to landscape and tap the single microphone button to say something. It basically automatically picks up on the language that has been spoken, and based on that, it actually tries to translate that into the other language that is selected. It enables a fully offline service for Translate, used for all the app features for downloaded languages, and keep your translation private without needing to turn off your phone's internet connection. Sixth is App Store. Again, within App Store, you do have new functionality such as app clips. Again, apps from the App Store have changed the way we do just about everything. Now, there is an even faster way to take advantage of them with app clips. A small part of an app clip is discoverable at the moment you need it and is focused on a specific task. Again, as described in the video itself, so you can actually download the app as quickly as possible, even while through a QR code, or such as on downloading just the app within the App Store, where you're actually just using the small version of the app. So if you're not really sure that you're going to use this app in future, you can actually just download the app clip. And if you really like the app, you can actually download the full version of the app, or you can just use the app clip and it stays in your phone for the next 30 days. Again, within 30 days, it removes the app clip automatically. There are more updates to maps as well. As you can see, cycling directions. You can also now use maps to get cycling directions using bike lanes, paths, and roads. You can also see elevations, busy streets, stairs, and steep passages when planning your trips. You can also use maps for electric vehicle routing, such as planning your trip with charging stations along the way. Now we'll look at again this feature as well, which is car keys. Again, we'll look at the demo, what Apple has provided. Again, this is something similar what Tesla provides as well, where they have this feature within your phone that you can actually use Tesla app to open your car, and also use the card to actually give maybe invitation to other people to drive your car. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this video helped you in terms of installing iOS 14 and also understanding what new features are coming on the iOS 14. And if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel. It helps me in growing the channel as well. And hope to see you soon in my next video. Peace out.